With this video, I'll show how to generate the normal map out of this bump map, and also I'll show how to extract all those maps from our Mudbox file and how we can assemble them back in 3ds Max. Okay, just click the normal map, bump map, then right click normal map from the bump map. Normal map from the bump map. That's what you should click. Okay, I'll do it again. Click the bump map that you have created, then see which is this one. You can turn it off and see. Right click normal map from the bump map, then tangent, that's fine. As soon as you click, this window will pop up. Compatibility to the 3ds Max. That's where we're going to assemble all these maps. Then press OK. As soon as it does, you can see the normal map is generated. Even though now you turn off the bump map, you can see the bumpiness which is happening over here. That's from the normal map. If I turn normal map and bump map both, you can't see any bumpiness in here. Okay, that's really easy. That's how you. The basic thing you need to understand, you need to create the bump map from your color map, then you can create the normal map. Okay, then what you can do, I'm going to extract all these maps. In our diffuse channel, we got couple of layers in here. What I'll do, I right click and I'm going to call merge visible. Then what it does, whatever visible layer will be merged as a one layer. If you don't like any of if you don't want to merge any of those layers, just turn it off and right click merge visible. Then I'm going to extract this color map. Right click, export selected, which is this one, demo. This is my project file. I'm going to scene assist, this one, double click scene assist, images, wooden barrel. I'm going to save it as a JPEG file, wooden barrel, then CL color map. This is the color map. Let me to show you guys how it is my color map look like. Scene assist is this one, images, this is the color map. Here we go. I create the nice color map for my wooden barrel. Let me to show you. Okay, then again same thing, under the specular, right click, export selected. I'm going spec, this is specular map. Let me to show how specular map looks like. Here we go. This is the specular map. This is the specular map. The white part of this image will be shiny. Then let me to show. I don't want to extract the bump map because we're going to generate the normal map. That's how we're going to get this bumpiness to our object. Normal map is much efficient than the bump map. Therefore, I'm going to create the normal bump. Export selected. NR for normal. Okay, then I'll go back and I'll show you how my normal map look like. See, this is my normal map. That's awesome. Then I'll go back to 3ds Max. I'll show you how to assemble those maps. Collapse all. Then press M key to get the material select editor. What I'll do, for this one I'm going to create the new view. Right click over here, create new view. I'm going to put wooden barrel this time. Wooden barrel. That way it's much organized. Oh, Then what I want to do, I want to get my bitmap. First I'm going to connect my color map. Let me to browse my image folder. CNSS images. Looks like I can't see because wooden barrel CL, okay, which is this one. Diffuse color, then assign, select the first node, assign material to selection, click this one, show material in a viewport. Here we go, guys. That's looking awesome. But we need to add the bump map and the specular map. Adding the specular map is really easy, same way. Let's find the color normal. Oh, that's wrong, sorry. Go back. I want to find the wooden barrel. This is the specular map. Here we go. Then I'm going to connect to the specular color. That's fine. Now I want to get the normal map. In order to get the normal map, you need to get this extra node and click and connect this one to the bump node. Then you can, same like other map, you can get the bitmap node and find the wooden barrel. Oh, that's the wrong one again, because I can't see it's in here. Tin barrel. Just find in the wooden barrel normal this. Oh, that's not the one. Okay, here we go. This is the one, wooden barrel normal. Then connect that bitmap node to the normal. Here we go. Now everything is ready to go. Make sure click the first node showing material on a viewport and double click. I want to do change the couple of settings. Make sure double click the first node and go to the map, and instead of 30, see the bump map, instead of 30 make it as 100, and then after that I'm going to click this node, one which is in the middle. I'm going to put this one as a 2. Then I can see the bump a bit more pronouncedly. Then you know, to see the bump you need to activate the lights. I'm going to create a couple of lights. Standard light, omni. So one light here. Okay, if you can't see, I'm going to create another light. Then what I'll do, go to the realistic material with maps. As soon as you activate that, see, now you can see the bumpiness. Give me a sec. See, I'm going to rotate this barrel. As you rotate, you can see the bumpiness. That's how you create the bump map for the barrel. Okay, that's going to be your homework too. Now what you got to do, you got to create the tin barrel and you got to finish that one, and you got to finish this wooden barrel. If you're comfortable with doing the texture painting, rest of other stuff, you're welcome to do so.